Welcome back to Taking Time. I'm Jonathan. Yes, I still love Rolex. No, none of these watches are Rolex, but yes, all three of them are steel and titanium sports models. Stick around and I'll talk about them. So I've got three steel and titanium sports watches here that all have something in common. They're all very old manufacturers and they're all in-house movements. So I'm going to start off with the JLC that we have here. This is their, I believe it's 2019 release, 2020 release of the chronograph with the Polaris. So this is really cool because this is a highly underrated watch that has 100 meters water resistance. It's an in-house chronograph, and it's not a Rolex Submariner or a Daytona. I think it has a lot more character to it because the dial here has three different textures on it, and at that, it's thinner and it comes on a strap that, I mean, the whole thing just looks absolutely phenomenal. So, and it's 42 millimeters, and it's actually a lot cheaper than both of those Rolexes, the Daytona and the Submariner. Now for 2021, IWC really disrupted the whole watch market with their controversy release of the Big Pilot. This Big Pilot is no longer, I think it's 47 or 48 millimeters, but this one is 43 millimeters, which is a lot more modern, a lot more contemporary, and a lot more wrists can wear it. This also has their in-house movement, and of which all of these watches have exhibition case back, so you can actually see the beautiful movements actually whenever you're not wearing it, but you can actually showcase it to your friends saying that you got a 2021 watch. This one has the blue dial, Le Petit prints, blue. I think it's awesome. It's 100 meters of water resistance. This one's 100 meters of water resistance as well. But yeah, this is brand new for 2021. And moving on, we have the biggest watch out of these three, which is the Blancpain. This thing is ginormous. It's 45 millimeters, and it's also the deepest watch that out of the three. This is a 300 meter dive watch. So it matches the Rolex Submariner, but this is the titanium watch. So while this may be the size of, actually a little bit bigger than a Sea Dweller, it's made out of titanium, so it's actually 25% less weight on your wrist. So it actually feels like it's a watch that's 40 millimeters in some ways. But yeah, this does have the exhibition case back as well, so you can see the full in-house movement, and it's got a very cool dark rotor there that essentially contrasts the whole movement. And this one also has the longest power reserve as well. I think this is 120 hours of power reserve. And you get a date function and a ceramic bezel. So all three of these essentially are less expensive than their counterparts in the Rolex world. And in my opinion, they're the biggest bang for buck out of any brand that nobody is talking about. And SwissWatchExpo actually has all three of these watches in stock, and we have a box and papers with all three of these. So before I buy one of these, you need to give us a call or go to SwissWatchExpo.com. I'm Jonathan, and thanks for watching Taking Time.